founder of Get Loved Up. Thank you so much for tuning in. I want you to really feel my passion for self-love and self-care, for unity and for eco-friendly living.
Today's class was amazing. I got loved up, I got to release, I got to restore. I cried a bit, I built some strength, I got to eat good, I got to be in good community. This was just what I needed, literally.
So serious, yeah? Sometimes we gotta get a little loose. Let go a little bit.
Hello, my name is DJ Russell. This is the Own Crew's Own Brunch, and this is an event where we cater to the community, putting together yoga, meditation, vegan food.
It was awesome getting loved up today. I felt feeling so energized. Koya is amazing. The energy was amazing in the room. It was awesome.
I love the camaraderie, I love the magic, I love the energy we all release, and I would love to do it again.
All the people I've met who are on the same type of mission about spreading love and, you know, joy and peace and just not being attached to the BS.
Getting loved up was great today. It was so amazing. There's so much energy, loving people, loving energy.
A room full of amazing people, love and community. No place like feeling like you're at home. I am so grateful.
I enjoyed being able to be around beautiful energy, good vibes, unity. It just made me feel just appreciative.
My first time taking a yoga class, kind of being in a free energy healing space. It was a very powerful experience. It exceeded my expectations.
It's wonderful, it's great. It literally feeds me everything I need. As far as the food, it feeds me also everything I need. It was great, it was fulfilling, and we didn't kill any animals.
It's always great just being in a community of people, everybody coming together with a similar intention. And Koya did a great job really connecting everyone and just bringing us into our hearts.
It was fantastic being loved up today. It was magnificent, marvelous being loved up. I'm running out of adjectives, but it was great.
Get Loved Up is all about loving yourself, loving others, and loving the planet. So let's do this together, one breath at a time.